let's walk around this Imperial Place. Bili ng biscuit. Thank you. Hello there. Camera sa akin ayaw na akong kuhaan na umuulan. Ang ganda ng tugtog ng kalemba. What a beautiful weather this afternoon here in Tokyo. Beautiful place to walk here in Tokyo. So peaceful. Look at this. There's one. Wow, napaka-peaceful na yun ang buhay ng swan na to. This is their forest. They have their own forest here.
How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes? Until winter comes? It really makes me wonder.
No fish. Sorry. Sorry. So that's the end of our walk, and we are here now in front of Imperial Palace. Ang lawak na. Mahangin.
How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes? Until winter comes? It really makes me wonder.